Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
My name is Brian Silways. Welcome to the WordPress.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Kate.
Kate.
Yes.
Oh, amazing. Kate, hold this album first. So this album will be yours if you win my questions today. Do you want the album?
Yeah.
You want the album?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5, how much do you consume spoken word poetry?
To be honest,
Eh.
one.
1. Ah, wewe si kama ule mwingine alijichocha na 7. 1. So, who is your favorite spoken word artist in Kenya? Where? Give it a trial.
Nimesikia maybe
Mufasa. Ah, umesikia Mufasa. Amazing. Hujamsikiza poets zake, lakini utaenda kuzisikiza, si ndio? So nitakupatia hii piece, unataka tu niambie who you think is the artist na hiyo piece inaitwaje, si ndio? Nitasisitiza a way to say no to stress. Depression haina form, itakukosesha usingizi kwa hiyo mattress. Landlord wana plot na agent vile wata make my night sleepless. Msanii anaitwaje na hiyo piece, hiyo line imetoka kwa verse, kwa ngoma inaitwaje? Album ni yako. Remember this album is worth 1,000 shillings. Ukifail utanipatia dhao yangu. Jokes. You want to try?
No.
No clue. Umekuwa honest too with yourself. So the artist anaitwa Brian Silways.
Wewe.
Mimi. The artist anaitwa Brian Silways na ni mimi, na hiyo line imetoka kwa my piece inaitwa Mawazo. Isikia? It's track number 2. It's track number 2. So incorrect, umefail, but promise me one thing, because umefail, you will go and listen to more spoken word poetry and you will support spoken word poetry. What's your social media handles?
I'm not
On social media.
Niko lakini siko active.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Be blessed and stay blessed.
Okay, you too.
Be on the lookout. You might be the next lucky winner or the next lucky loser if you don't listen to spoken word.